Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it, and here we have to enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that manually, I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so as you can see I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, or 4 weeks. Up to you, of course. Let me pick all time and simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see right now the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.